Welcome back to our channel. We are in Trinidad and Tobago, and to prepare for this trip, we asked Trinidadians what we should do during our time in Trinidad. So we went to people Sean knows, we went to Reddit, we went to TikTok, and so we're gonna just do things. Well, that's not really true. There's some things I want to do that Trinidadians didn't recommend, but for this video, we're just showing you all the things that we do that Trinidadians recommended we do during our time in Trinidad.
So our first stop is KFC. So this comes as a recommendation by some of my coworkers. And I mean, I've always kind of known that West Indian KFC is not the same as United States KFC. Sometimes they use different chicken, they use different sauces, they use different ingredients.
Chicken.
So yeah, sometimes they use local chicken that's like sourced locally and not like freeze dried and sent overseas and all that. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna stop at KFC and I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day and I'm cranky. So we're gonna go. We just had lunch at KFC. It's delicious, of course. The chicken is much larger. The macaroni and cheese is the same. I don't know how Christina's sandwich was, but the fries were all right.
I got the zinger.
But the chicken is bigger,
That's good.
juicier, and just better here.
This one tastes like U.S. chicken.
Not too much seasoning either. I don't think it's too salty either. So I'd say it's good. 4 out of 5 stars.
We made it to Fort George. I would say if you are not a confident driver, don't do it. It is windy. It is a very narrow road where both cars are like coming like this. You have to pull over on the side of a cliff. So gorgeous view, which we'll show you. But tip, if you are not a confident driver, especially driving on the opposite side of the road, maybe skip it. Or not skip it. Get a driver or take a organized tour. So this fort, Fort George, is only about 15 minutes outside of Port of Spain, but it already gives completely different vibes up here. It was built back in 1805 by the British, but it never actually saw any action.
They had cannons up here to protect the harbor, but apparently these cannons were never fired. So now people just use them for photo shoots, which is what we're gonna probably do. Yeah, but you could see straight from Fort George, there's a beautiful view of the harbor, and you can kind of see the city if you go to the left. So. Well, Port of Spain, I guess.
Sean's gonna go check out what we think is the jail. Here you go. This station was created to send signals to Fort George to receive flag signals. But what's interesting is that the station itself was designed by a Asante prince who was brought to Trinidad from West Africa. An African prince did design it. We made it back alive from our little excursion up to Fort George. And now we're walking down a strip that has what seems like a good amount of bars and like restaurants, because when we asked people for suggestions on TikTok on where to go in Trinidad, someone told us to go to Fitt Street Bar. So that's where we're heading to start our nighttime activities. So thank you for whoever suggested that. And let's see if it's any good. decided to go big or go home. So I got the Fitt Street Rosé. I don't know what's in it, but it does have a whole bottle of Carib Rosé, which is like a Caribbean beer brand, but it's rosé because I don't like beer. Oh, Sean's showing y'all his Carib. Ooh. It's not sweet. It's the Carib. It kind of cuts down the sweetness of the mixed drink.
Dominated as a player, and now he's the head coach of the Trinidad Tobago Nightlighters.
Ooh, that is sweet.
It's not sweet. I think it's sweet.
I think it's sweet, but it's good. I like it. If we were to continue drinking here, I'll get it. I'll get that. That tastes good. Sweet. This is not sweet.
The two islands have the biggest fan following.
We found a grocery store, and we love a grocery store. So let's see. I want to know the price of eggs, the price of ice cream. Oh, there's no prices. Hold on. Ben and Jerry's. There's no price. Guava cheese. This looks good. Look at this. Guava cheesecake, a vegan ice cream. Oh, nope, no price.
So it is 30 Trinidadian dollars or $4.41 in US, which is really good. I think right now we're paying like $6 or $7.
Those look good. Let's try them. And then we're gonna try a chip. Cheese straw sounds good. Oh wait, non-chips. White cheese lays? That's kind of new. What do you think? White cheese lays? I think that's new. I've never had white cheese lays. There's also these cheese straws that seem interesting.
That's not in New York.
Okay.
These are not in New York.
This is not in New York.
No.
Okay, I want these, but
Okay.
so this one or that one? This one. Okay. He told me to get this one.
Not in New York.
My new friend.
You like biscuit?
That's like, are you old? That's like an old people.
No, but it's healthy for you. Even self, you might.
He's too healthy.
Okay.
I don't even eat those stuff. I might buy this.
We're gonna get some Yusef gyros. Well, we're gonna get a Yusef gyro because we don't need one, or gyro, whatever you want to call it. I will always call it gyro. Don't at me.
We were in the grocery store, and I was asking the guy what Trinidadian snacks we should get. Blah 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 blah. We'll show y'all later. And I was saying we were gonna go to Yusef's, and because it's all over social media, that was really good. He was like, no, don't go there. Go to this grill place, which we saw, which had a banging line. So I think we're gonna go get the gyro and go get the grill food. But then there's also a Saturday night market. So it's just like, how much food could we possibly consume in one night? But if we walk to each place, does that give us room in our bellies to eat more food?
I mean,
And
I got room in my belly. I know that.
but we still haven't had doubles because we're going to Tobago and we're gonna be meeting up with.
I feel like we could be like doubles in Trinidad versus doubles in Tobago.
Oh, that's a good idea. So maybe we should have doubles for breakfast then, because it's open really early.
Yeah, maybe. Trini flavor lamb gyro. It's sweet pepper, pineapple, onion, and it's all mixed together on the grill, supposedly.
Let me take a picture of it. Let me see.
It's just falling apart.
We got one to share because
Spicy.
oh, spicy. She
Spicy
put like a little line of spice and pepper sauce. It's not spicy.
That feels Trini to
You're
me.
gonna drop it. That's the opening. That's good.
It's good, but oh man. It's a lot of flavor.
You put tomatoes on there. I don't like tomatoes. But
I told him everything
what's
because
everything?
I also couldn't really understand what he was saying.
Like lettuce, tomatoes, white sauce,
Onion, pineapple,
peppers.
peppers.
It was two sauces. It was white sauce, pepper sauce. What was the other sauce?
I had no idea.
I should ask. It's good. How much was it?
60 Trinidadian.
Which is
Maybe like $10. I don't know.
$8.91
Yeah.
US. This is good. I think because you keep biting there, and that's where the pepper sauce is.
I feel like the meat is all here, so I'm going for where the meat is. You're going for where all the veggies are.
I'm gonna ask what the sauce is. I'll be right back.
What's the final verdict?
It is chow beni, which is like cilantro. But look, we killed it in like 2 minutes. Highly recommend. It's good. And I'm gonna call it a gyro because a gyro is Greek and they put French fries in it. So that's gonna be my differentiation between the two. There's no French fries in it.
Yeah. This is this is a Trinidadian gyro, so I don't know, but it's good.
It is wet out here, but we have made it to the Queen Savannah Park food strip, which I'm very excited about because it's like a night market, and I love a night market. We love a good night market, like in Vietnam and Cambodia and Thailand. So this was also recommended by a local, so we definitely have to check it out. And we're gonna do what we normally do, which is we take turns choosing a dish for us to share until we get full. So Sean gets to go first because I chose the gyro place. So let's go. They have paratha, mini chicken. I don't know the difference between them.
It's a duck roti. It's a mini duck roti, but it still looks really big.
That's huge.
I don't know if I could eat all this.
Back up, show them the whole thing. That's humongous. Hold on. You want something to drink?
Oh my god. Yeah, ginger ale. Oh my god. That's so spicy. We'll try some of these honey barbecue wings. They're cold. Damn.
Duck roti. I love duck. Sean, it's huge. It's a mini. How much was this? Wow, this is humongous.
No, it's Trinidadian.
Oh wow. Not spicy at all. I'm gonna rip it up because too much roti for me. See, I'm gonna eat the duck. And no spice. It's so good though. Okay. That's good. I stopped at the place to get pylori, which I've never had before. And Sean has asked for chicken wings, and he seems upset about them. Oh, well, they're cold.
Yeah, that's the first thing.
They're good besides being cold. I didn't eat them up. So he bought me a sample of the pylori, which he said was chickpeas, ginger, and it's like deep fried. It's freshly made because I saw her making it.
So like a fish cake?
It's so good. It tastes like a festival. I don't want to share. I'm so good.
So yeah, it has the texture of a fish cake.
Now I got the spice. But I don't need all the roti. Like, they could have put it on the plate and just give me some roti on the side. Like, look at this. Look at that duck. It does still have the bone, so be careful. It doesn't even taste like duck. You think it tastes like duck? I think it tastes like goat. But goat wasn't on the menu, but they could have. He gave it to me to go, but I'm about to eat it now. So it's regular mango sauce and spicy mango, but I realized I don't know which one is which. And look at this. I'm gonna try it without sauce. I don't know which one's regular, which one's spicy.
Okay.
Did I try this one? Let's see if Sean got the spicy one. It's like fluffy. Have you ever had a festival? Reminds me of that. It's sweet. It's made of chickpeas? Wow. I know the light sucks, y'all, but okay.
It's kind of sweet. I don't know if this is a spicy one yet. Okay. I think it's not spicy. Thank God. These things are so good though. To me, they're like fish cakes, but they're called pilori.
Okay. I was gonna try to save them to eat later, but they're fried. I don't feel like they'll taste good reheated. So I'm just gonna eat as many as possible. And that means opening the second pack of sauce. I spilled it on myself. All right, let's see if this one's spicy. Spicy? It's different than that one. I don't think it's spicy. He said they were both mango. I don't consider it spicy though. It's not the same thing though. We are done at the food, it's not a night market kind of food trip. And even though it didn't seem like we ate a lot, we did, because that roti was humongous, plus the chicken wings, plus the pilori, which he gave me like 10 of them. I wasn't expecting that.
We still have some left over.
And we still have leftovers, but
Oh, I'm so full. It hurts. So I'm stepping down. We still have wings. We still have more pilori. So we're gonna call it a night. And we're gonna thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tune in for more.